Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing QR code Monkey as the only generator you will use. Open the site and immediately paste the target URL or text in the data field. Then select the output size in pixels and set error correction, higher for logos or small prints. Next, choose colors or set a gradient. These choices affect scan reliability, so keep contrast strong. Once done, make sure to pick PNG or SVG, depending on whether you need raster or vector for printing. You now customize appearance and add a logo if required. First, apply a single high-contrast color or a subtle gradient. This preserves scanner performance. Next, upload your logo and position it centered. Reduce logo size to about 15 to 30% of the code so modules remain readable. After adding a logo, increase error correction to H to tolerate lost modules. Once done, preview at actual size and use the built-in tester to scan from a phone to verify immediate readability. You finish by exporting and validating the code. Choose SVG for sharp print or PNG for web. Set resolution to 300/600px for small print items. Then scan with multiple phones and apps to confirm universal readability and try from typical distances you expect users to scan. If scans fail, troubleshoot. Increase image size, reduce or remove the logo, switch to a single high-contrast color, or raise error correction. One key tip: always retest after each change to ensure success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.